I started with EPI in 1979. I became president in 2005 when the owner retired. And since then we've built the company to, we did about $25 million this last year in a variety of different types of projects, from Catholic schools to industrial and commercial projects. Well, most recently we finished a project for Crespi High School, new arts and technology center. It was approximately $5 million, took about 14 months to complete. That project is an unusual project in that we came on prior to the development side, and we actually assisted in the pre-construction, and the project was coming in over budget, and we brought together a new development team, architect, and managed to bring the project in exactly for the price that they wanted to spend, which was $5 million. We've done a lot of projects at Notre Dame. The largest one we did was the music facility there, the Fritz Byrne project. That project was approximately $5 million. We finished it back in, I believe, in the early 2000s. We're doing a facility, a new bathroom for their athletic facility. We are going to be adding an elevator in one of the buildings. A lot of smaller projects, but taking care of the needs of Notre Dame. And Notre Dame has some wonderful people. We've been fortunate to be able to work with them on and off for as long as we have. We really appreciate the relationship and hope to continue to keep working with them. We completed a arts, science and technology center there back in 2004. That was approximately a little over $5 million. A little bit of a challenge at a time when construction costs were skyrocketing, and but we managed to contain costs pretty well and brought the project on budget and on time. Sometimes our projects are negotiated, sometimes they're hard bid. It just depends on the particular project and the client and school. We are very cost conscious. We understand that the schools, it's very difficult for these schools to raise money, and so we work to protect that. I think the economy is going to start moving ahead. A lot of the schools are struggling to fundraise, but there are still a good amount of projects out there, and we're working on pricing up several projects, and working on several also, including one for the Archdiocese in San Lorenzo in Walnut. EPI's philosophy is a collaboration between the owner, the architect, and the contractor. And it's a triangle, and it's a very close-knit relationship. And we value that relationship for all parties, so that when the project's done, it's a win-win-win for everybody involved. So our goal is to resolve problems, not create them. Our philosophy is to get the job done on time, quickly, and move on to the next one.